Hi, I'm Seth Collins, and I just recently purchased a house in Morgantown. We used Housebusters inspection services. If anyone needs an inspection in the Morgantown area, they should use Housebusters. If I were to buy another house and needed an inspection, I would want to use this same service. Charles showed me the different things to look for in an apartment that could be cause of worry, like the basement, and he showed us the electrical box and the water outlet and things that if something goes wrong and someone had to come fix it, I would know where to find those things. After the inspection, he told me that if I had any questions, just to call him and he can answer them for me. Yes, during the inspection, Charles showed us a lot of things that could be potential problems, but he did not tell that scared me a little bit, but he said that there's no reason to be scared. So it was a good deal. Yes, I am very happy with the services. He taught me a lot of things that I can use for future property inspections, just looking around to know what to look for in case anything's of worry to me.